This is Pulse, a modern, highly scalable uptime monitoring and incident management platform built for DevOps engineers and customer-facing teams alike. It combines deep technical flexibility with a polished, intuitive interface, giving you complete visibility over your infrastructure without the complexity usually associated with enterprise monitoring tools. Whether you're watching a single API endpoint or coordinating checks across multiple regions and private networks, Pulse scales with you, from a solo developer's side project to a multi-tenant platform serving thousands of customers. Let's take a look around. This is the dashboard. At a glance, you can see your plan usage, checks, status pages, team members, and agents, along with your result retention window. Below that, a live breakdown of what's operational, degraded, or down across your entire infrastructure, so you always know where to look first. Underneath, recent activity shows a real-time feed of status changes as they happen, including check name, new state, response time, and exact timestamp, giving you an immediate pulse on your systems the moment you log in. Moving on to checks. This is where Pulse goes beyond a simple HTTP ping. You can monitor endpoints via HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, UDP, DNS, and ICMP, whatever protocol your service actually speaks. For HTTP and API checks specifically, Pulse validates more than just a status code. Add custom request headers to authenticate against private endpoints using bearer tokens, API keys, or basic auth. Define an expected body substring, and Pulse will flag the check as failed if that data goes missing from the response. Set exactly which status codes count as healthy, a broad range, or one specific code. And for HTTPS targets, Pulse proactively monitors your SSL certificates, alerting you before they expire, with exact expiry dates front and center. Every check also gets intelligent state tracking. Pulse doesn't just log raw pings, it surfaces meaningful transitions. When a check degraded, when it failed, the specific error encountered, and when it recovered. Check detail pages give you latency charts and a full status history over time. Next up, agents. For anything sitting behind a firewall, internal databases, private APIs, intranet services, you can deploy lightweight, secure Pulse agents across multiple geographic regions or directly inside your private networks. Agents poll the Pulse control plane and execute checks locally, so nothing needs to be exposed to the public internet. And if an agent itself goes offline, you'll be alerted to that too. For checks that really matter, assign them to multiple agents at once with multi-agent quorum checks. Pulse only marks a check down when every agent agrees, and only recovers it once they all do, cutting out false alarms caused by a single flaky vantage point. Onto incidents. This replaces the spreadsheets and manual status emails with a centralized incident response workflow. Create incidents, post live updates, and resolve outages, with every update instantly synced out to your public status pages. You don't even need to do this manually. Enable automatic incidents on a check, and Pulse will open and resolve incidents for you as services fail and recover, keeping your status pages accurate without any busy work. Planned downtime gets its own space too, with maintenance. Schedule maintenance windows in advance, and they'll display clearly on your status pages and get tracked from start to finish, so customers know exactly what to expect and when. Over in notifications, Pulse reaches your team wherever they already work: email, Slack, Discord, Microsoft Teams, webhooks, NTFY, and Gotify are all supported out of the box. And that ties directly into alert policies, where you build step-by-step escalation, notify one channel immediately, then escalate to another if the issue persists. Configure quiet hours to hold non-critical alerts outside working hours, with full time zone and day-of-week control. You can even suppress alert noise automatically while a check sits inside an active maintenance window, without losing visibility internally. And routing is granular. Assign channels per check for service alerts, or per agent, so you know the moment a private network monitor stops reporting. Let's talk about status pages. This is where Pulse really shines for customer-facing teams. Fully white-labeled, with custom logos, favicons, and light, dark or automatic theme modes. Bind your own domain directly to a status page, with SSL certificates automatically provisioned and renewed, no manual cert management required. You're in full control of transparency too. Toggle a combined 30-day uptime figure, choose exactly which checks are public, and decide whether uptime percentages or latency metrics show for each one individually. Group checks together so they display cleanly on the page, and if you need to keep a dashboard internal only, lock it down with IP allow listing for specific corporate ranges. Every status page also ships with a built-in incident history, and visitors can subscribe by email to get notified the moment something changes. And if you want status visible outside of a dedicated page entirely, that's what embeds are for. Copy and paste ready-made widgets including badges, compact status lists, single check cards, incident summaries, uptime pills, or full-page iframes, in light, dark, auto, or compact layouts. There's also RSS and Atom feed support for incident and maintenance activity, plus a public status API and OEmbed support, so CMS platforms can discover rich embeds automatically. Full API documentation is available in-app. Pulse is built for teams that need to move fast without stepping on each other. Role-based access control gives you granular owner, admin, and member roles, so people only get access to what they need, and Pro plans support unlimited team members. Global search with Command K or Control K gets you to any check, incident or status page instantly from anywhere in the app. And you can manage checks in bulk, enabling, disabling, or deleting several at once straight from the checks list. For accountability, the audit log gives owners and admins a full record of who changed what, including checks, incidents, status pages, users, API keys, all of it. And for anyone automating around Pulse, API keys lets you generate secure keys to integrate with your CI/CD pipelines, Terraform workflows, or external tooling via the external API. Pulse offers free and pro tiers to match how you're working today, and you can upgrade from your dashboard at any time you need more room to grow. That's Pulse, from a single check on a side project, to full incident response for a platform serving thousands. Thanks for watching.